I talked about how much I love dry-aged steaks. And how I wanted to buy a dry-ager, but they're like $2,000. And I was like, maybe I shouldn't. And people were commenting, just put your steak in the fridge, cover it in salt, and boom, dry-aged. So that's what I did. It's definitely a lot firmer. But it has that dry-aged flavor that I was going for. I wouldn't want to do it like this all the time, though, because then it kind of, you know, gets rid of that special feeling, unique flavor for you. Also, guys, I'm not like trying to slurp my food to piss you off. Sometimes when it's too hot, I kind of overcooked it. Don't look. I have to slurp it so I don't burn my tongue. I'm not doing it. It's not rage bait, okay? I wish it was. Ready? No.